Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You're going to start an Incognito session right away. First, confirm school rules and get permission when required, because managed devices can track activity. Sign into your Chromebook with your school account, then open Chrome and choose Menu, New Incognito Window, or press Ctrl+Shift+N. This creates a temporary browsing session that doesn't save local history or cookies. However, downloads and bookmarks still stay on the device. Once done, use tabs normally, but remember the school may retain logs. Once you have an Incognito window, work with deliberate steps. Open only needed tabs, be aware most extensions are disabled so some sites won't behave the same, and avoid relying on Incognito for anonymity. If you sign into an account while incognito, that login links activity to your account and can be visible to administrators. Also, downloads, screenshots, or files you save remain on the Chromebook, so clear or manage them if appropriate. Make sure to close the window to end the local session. To finish, close every Incognito window. That removes local cookies and session data from the browser. If you downloaded files, delete them from the Downloads folder if policy allows, and sign out of any accounts you used. If Incognito is disabled or missing, check Chrome settings under Status or Device Management, or politely ask your school IT team. Don't attempt workarounds. Remember, on a managed Chromebook, administrators and network filters can still log or view traffic, so use Incognito responsibly and within school rules.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.